to Thatch Signature Cuisine, your ultimate destinations for 100% authentic signature recipe. How are you? Hope all of you fine and stay at home. Practice your SOP, yeah? Alright, so today I'm going to share to you another signature recipe from my kitchen. I'm going to make special rendang for this Hari Raya Aidilfitri. My recipe name is Bird Eyes Chilli Chicken Rendang. In Malay, we call rendang Ayam Cili Padi. This rendang recipe specially dedicated to all my Muslim friends. Okay, some words in Malay. Selamat Hari Raya Aidilfitri kepada semua yang menyambut Aidilfitri. Touch harap anda semua sehat walafiat. Stay at home. Selamat menyambut Hari Raya Aidilfitri ini bersama keluarga walaupun anda tidak boleh balik ke kampung, ya. Semoga anda sihat selalu. So today's recipe is going to be a very super delicious recipe because I'm going to do this chicken rendang and I managed to get lemang also. So this chicken rendang in Malaysia, we always eat with lemang, yeah. So for those who non-Muslim friends, okay, you guys this year you unable to visit, even last year also you unable to visit any of your Muslim friends' house, yeah. Okay, so we unable to eat all this special delicious food during this Hari Raya. So what you do, you can cook at home. Alright, so today Taj going to share to you this secret recipe, alright, on my rendang, my version of rendang, and you must try this recipe because it's very simple, at the same time it's very delicious. Okay, so let's go to the kitchen and start this cooking. Okay, catch you shortly. Welcome to Thatch Signature Cuisine, your ultimate destinations for 100% authentic signature recipe. Hi guys, how are you? So first of all, I would like to wish Selamat Hari Raya Aidilfitri to all my Muslim friends. Okay, so this recipe specially dedicated to all my Muslim friends, of course to all non-Muslim as well. As you know, due to this MCO, we unable to visit any of our Muslim friends' house. So why not you try this recipe at home? Okay, then you still don't miss the Aidilfitri food, yeah. So we are going to use vegetarian chicken for this recipe. Today's recipe will be Bird Eye Chilli Chicken Rendang. Alright, Bird Eyes Chilli Chicken Rendang, and Malay we call it Rendang Ayam Cili Padi. Okay, I'm using this Bird Eye chili. Alright, some fresh green chili, red chilies, shallots, big onion, of course this is from my garden, pandan leaf, lemongrass, fresh turmeric, and this is ginger, and of course garlic as well. So these are the blended item. These are the ingredients I'm going to blend. Alright, so I'm going to put aside first. Now this is a grated coconut. We will do curry set, our own curry set, yeah, for this delicious yummy Bird Eye Chilli Chicken Rendang. So let's check it out how to make this delicious yummy rendang for this Hari Raya. Heat up a pan high. So once the pan heated, toast this grated coconut, yeah, with a medium flame. Do not burn. Just toast this until it turns slightly brown. Make sure your flame is medium flame, yeah. So continue. You can see that it start changing color, but still we need to continue, yeah. You can see that our coconut already turned into brown. We're going to stop, turn off the fire. Okay, so we are done. We let it cool, let it rest for a while. Malay style, they will tumbuk curry set, yeah. but I'm going to just run through the blender. Yeah, no need to make it so fine. We want to feel the curry seed in our gravy. So we are going to remove this. We let it cool. Okay, so I let it rest for a while. It's already rest, and you can see it's very crispy, yeah, crunchy, because it's already fried well in a medium flame. Remember, do not burn this. Yeah, we're going to blend this, throw into a dryer blender. Okay, do not blend completely fine. Yeah, just leave it a bit rough. Okay. Hi, so I just run the machine for one round only. You can see that. So it's like you tumbuk, yeah, it's just like that, still in a rough texture. So we are going to shift this into a bowl. Our curry seed is done, so we're going to put aside, and let's check the blended item for the gravy. Hi, so I'm going to grab a blender here. So into a blender, first thing we are going to add the lemongrass. Lemongrass goes in. Turmeric, fresh turmeric. Bird eye, green chili. Next, fresh green chili cut into 2. Okay. If you want your gravy to be spicy, you can add bird eyes, chili more. Yeah, I'm going to add fresh red chili. So the quantity of chili, it depends to you. If you want more spicy, you can add, or you just play around with the number of chilies. Yeah. Okay, garlic goes in. Ginger. Okay. Shallot cut into 2. Big red onion goes in. Last, finally, I'm going to add this pandan leaf into my gravy paste. So I'm going to add water, and I'll show you shortly once it's blended. So this is the blended paste which I have blended just now. So for chicken, we are going to marinate this with little turmeric. Yeah, okay, just marinate this. So I'm adding some salt, little, and then mix it. Okay. Vegetarian chicken, we have to fry first so that it's a bit crispy. Yeah, pan heated. I'm going to add vegetable oil, about 2 tablespoons. Yeah, once the oil heat, the medium flame, I'm going to fry all the vegetarian chicken. Okay, we just want the outer layer of the veggie chicken to be crispy. Yeah, then only nice. Okay, so let it fry for a while. So now you can see that our veggie chicken already turned crispy. Yeah, look at it. So with the same recipe, with the same ingredients, you can cook with non-veggie chicken as well. Yeah, just replace with the fresh chicken for the non-vegetarian people. Alright, so I'm going to remove this. I won't continue cooking because if it's, this is just a soya, right? Chicken. Veggie chicken is done. Okay, it's already crispy, and then we are going to put aside, and let's start the gravy now. The same pan, I'm going to add the lemongrass goes in. Okay, fire is medium flame. Yeah, and the pandan leaf also. Let the aroma release from lemongrass and the pandan leaf. Close for a while, and let the aroma release for in a medium flame. Okay, so let's check. Yeah, look at it. We are going to throw this curry leaf and then let it fry in medium flame. We're going to add all the gravy paste here. So goes in. Ready? Now it's up the color. Looking so beautiful here. Rendang color. So we are going to close this. Come to simmer. Hi, let's check. So I'm using box coconut milk here. So up to you. You can use a fresh coconut also. So for rendang you cannot be stingy, yeah. So you have to add the santan a lot. Then only nice. Give a mix. Wow, look at the color. Now itself smells so good, yeah. But we still need the oil to be separated. I'm going to add the garam Melaka. Okay, so I'm going to add this, and once diluted, yeah, into my gravy, then I will add my veggie chicken. Okay, so now we are going to close with a high flame. We're going to cook another 10 minutes. So let's check. Wow, look at it. So now it starts simmer chicken, yeah, into my gravy. A mix. Alright, let it cook for another 15 minutes in a medium flame. Hi, so let's check after 10 minutes. Oil is already separated. Even our rendang also, the gravy, yeah, already changed color, yeah. So now is the time for us to add the curry seed. Just add the curry seed. Give a mix. Get my Eye Chilli Chicken Rendang. It's almost done. Another 10 minutes, yeah. Just to want to make sure all the ingredients we have added comes together. Salt to taste. Onion, the yellow onion, which I've cut and loosened it. So I'm adding this, and of course, lastly, I'm going to add some curry leaf on top of my gravy and give a mix. Let everything goes in together. Just close for a while, and then we are done for our rendang. Hi, so let's check. Wow, look at our rendang. Rendang is ready. Look at it. This is what we want, yeah. Wow. So it will be very delicious if you eat with nasi tomato or ghee rice or any rice. Alright, even a plain rice also will be nice. The lovely part is if you eat with a ketupat or lemang, will be very, very yummy. So we are done for today. I'm going to garnish this with some curry leaf, and of course break into two the bird's chili, and we are done. So if you like my recipe, please remember to subscribe to my channel, Thatch Signature Cuisine, your ultimate destinations for 100% authentic signature recipe. Till then, me, Thatch, signing off. Catch you in my new latest recipe. Bye!